Welcome to my YouTube channel everyone. The Ducati Panigale V4 is a high-performance flagship sport bike from Ducati, known for its advanced technology, racing pedigree and stunning design. Here are the key details about the Panigale V4. Engine and performance. Engine type, 1103 cubic centimeters V4. Liquid-cooled, 4-stroke. DOHC, des Mercedes Stradale. Power output, around 214 horsepower. 157 kilowatts at 13,000 RPM. Torque, approximately 124 Newton meters. 91 pound-foot at 10,000 RPM. Transmission, 6-speed with quick shifter for both upshifts and downshifts. Exhaust, dual exhaust system with undertail exit. Featuring a full system on some high-spec models. Dimensions. Weight, approximately 174 kilograms, 384 pounds dry. Seat height, 830 millimeters, 32.7 inches. Wheelbase, 1,469 millimeters, 57.8 inches. Fuel tank capacity, 16 liters, 4.2 US gallons. Suspension. Front suspension, fully adjustable Öhlins NPX. 25/30 fork on higher trims. Rear suspension, fully adjustable Öhlins TTX 36 shock on higher trims. Steering damper, electronic steering damper from Öhlins. Brakes. Front brakes, dual 330 mm. Disc with Brembo M50. Monoblock calipers. Rear brakes, single 245 mm disc with Brembo caliper. Electronics and features. Riding modes, multiple riding modes, race, sport. Street with adjustable parameters for throttle response. Traction control and suspension settings. Traction control, Ducati Traction Control, DTC EVO2. Wheelie control, Ducati Wheelie Control, DWC EVO. Cornering ABS, Bosch Cornering ABS EVO. Quick shifter, Ducati Quick Shift, DQS, up or down. Design and aerodynamics. The Panigale V4 features aggressive aerodynamic lines designed for optimal downforce and stability at high speeds, along with a minimalist fairing that reduces drag. The bike uses lightweight materials.